There is a team show coming up in the spring that was just announced. They're allowing 16 teams, maybe more, they're not sure. But I'm decided that I want to go. I have a couple buddies that want to be on a team, and we've never done a team show before. I think it's something that'd be more interesting. I personally have never done a team show, and it'd be, like I said, something new, something different, something interesting. So I'm trying to think of what car to bring in. Now I kind of want to bring this one in right here, but the problem is see how the speaker deck is bowed down? See how the trunk is dished? Rule state, speaker deck cannot be altered in any way. Trunk can be not dished in any way. So I wanted to build this car, but that's not going to work. W body would be full size there, and full size is not the team. That's an old body. That's a good contender, but that's still a fully functioning car. That's a new body. Again, good contender, but fully functioning car. This one right here is a new body, fully functioning car, and it's not blocked in by anybody. It's been sitting here for 2.5, 3 years, maybe. I have a buddy that's interested in buying this red Solera. Look at Harley playing in the rain. A buddy's interested in buying this red Solera, so I'm not going to really mess with it too much. My Camry wagon, no, I want to drive it. Don't even look at it. We got 3 cars back here. We got 2000 to 01, 97 to 99, 92 to 96. All 4 cylinders. Because of how they are this far back, I kind of want to leave them. Because of the time of year it is as well, I kind of want to do a motor swap, because during derby season I won't get a whole lot of time to do a motor swap. So pretty much everything over here is junk. I do have to pull that motor though. So that motor might be a good donating motor. Yeah, this one might be a good donating motor. Alternator's seen rougher days, that's for sure, better days. So maybe I could pull a V6 in and then put this motor into it, because this has got to come out anyway, and this car's junk. So let's go see what we got. Those are all parts cars, don't worry about those. So I was kind of thinking about this car. This is a new body, 97 to 99. It's been here for probably 3 or 4 years. See how the windshield's all busted? It's because my buddy put me through the damn windshield. But I'm thinking about maybe this one. It's a little rusty. Okay. It's pretty damn rusty. I can see that. Leave me alone. I'm just joking. Interior is mostly in it. But again, this is a 4-cylinder car, so I don't really want to pull the motor out of a 4-cylinder car. I should leave this to when it's like April or June or like September and you need to build a car for the next weekend. So I might leave this one. This one over here is a V6 Solera. This thing here is very clean. You know, this is a good contender. And then this one over here is actually a V6 sedan. This one here I know runs, except I've kind of screwed around with the wiring. So maybe. You know what? I think I'm going to use this one. I was going to use a different one, but I think I'm going to use this one because this car runs and starts, so I can just start it up and move it. I can throw a battery into this. Last time I checked 2 years ago, this car ran, so I can probably just drive it into my shop. So you know what? This is the car I'm going to go with. Let's get this one going. So I'm going to throw this battery in now. I have a better charge on it, see if she starts up. Oh, I took off the positive connection that was on it, because it was making it so it didn't get a good connection. I'm also going to hook up the fuel pump. That's what I think I did. Okay, let's try this now. Oh, he wanted to. Oh, I know what's going on. Had the wrong damn key in it. I had the wrong key. I had the non-security key in it. Let's doing something funny underneath the hood. Well, she runs. Smells a bit rich. It's the first time this thing's ran in probably 2.5 years. So I'm gonna move the Yaris in front of it, and then we're gonna get this thing into the shop. Gotta love Toyotas, always starting up. Now this thing sat a long time, so we're gonna be a little bit easy on it here. What we're gonna do, oh, it's got no brakes. That's always fun. I'm gonna blow it up by redlining it right off the bat, but with no brakes, I don't really want to do that. I guess let's just get it into the shop. It does sound pretty nice. Because those rear brakes are seized. You just dug a nasty hole. Yep, that is one nasty hole. It's about 2 feet deep. Look at the dirt. What do I got that can pull this out? Might have to go get the Lexus to pull this thing out. I'm just gonna leave it running. It obviously can't charge because it doesn't have an alternator. But I kind of want this motor to blow up. Kind of. So as this car is reeking of engine oil and antifreeze because it's overheating, I'm fine with that. I decided to use this one. This here is a car I just bought. Figured why I try to destroy my Lexus when I can have all these derby cars that just run with a boost. So we're gonna hook this one to that one and pull it out. Then that one's going to go in the shop, and then I'm going to put this one where that one is, and then I'm going to put the Yaris back in front of it because the Yaris is fine, and I don't want to put it way back, way back there. Okay, let's get to pulling crap out. at this for about 15 minutes now, and it's not coming out. I need to get it out farther so I can change that tire. If I can just change that tire, I could drive it, but the two back tires are not turning at all. Yep, not turning. Yup, not turning. I guess let's keep pulling. Ripped the bumper right in half, so she was a little bit rusty. Pull itself. Okay, so I got this car out of its old rusty hideaway. Did a paint job to this one. Ripped the front bumper off. Knocked over my jack. Ran over my impact. You know, all the cool fun stuff that everybody likes to do. I do not know if it will go into the workshop under its own power right now, but we're about to try to find out. Might be able to throw these inside the wood stove once they dry up. Yeah, you know, I'll just leave them. You know what? Take them off. Take them off. Pine needles. Nobody needs you guys. Oh, there you go. There we go. Clean, as good as new, except for all these pine needles. All right, let's see if this thing will drive under its own power. It's taken almost 2 hours to get this thing out. This is ridiculous. I'm getting upset. Let's get it in the shop.